Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur and you are watching the Coin Monitor. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets witnessed sharp recovery in the past 24 hours as Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell reiterated 3 rate cuts this year while maintaining a dovish tone. The optimism helped Bitcoin, the largest crypto by market cap, to reclaim the crucial $67,000 levels, while IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 7.3% at 86,150 points. Interestingly, Bitcoin suffered a sharp correction in price after hitting record high, just shy of $74,000 last week. The correction followed hotter than expected inflation readings in the US. The Fed maintaining a dovish stance has provided a relief for broader financial markets. Meanwhile, MicroStrategy's shares fell 13% on Tuesday due to $603.75 million convertible debt offering to buy Bitcoin. Well, this follows an $800 million convertible offer announced a week earlier. Now, talking about spot Bitcoin ETFs, the total outflows from all 9 ETF providers reached $326 million, surpassing the previous day's record. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF saw net inflows of $75 million, followed by Fidelity's Bitcoin ETF with $39.6 million. In a separate development, Ethereum, the second largest crypto by market cap, was down 6% earlier in the day as reports surfaced about the Ethereum Foundation facing a confidential inquiry from an unnamed government and US Securities and Exchange Commission considering classifying the asset as a security. Moving on, Starknet, the Ethereum Layer 2 network, is set to introduce a design feature called parallelization as part of an upgrade set for the second quarter. While this feature aims to process a greater number of transactions simultaneously, resulting in improved throughput and faster L2 finality. Starknet's sequencer will be receiving parallel execution, which is a multitasking for rollups. The global crypto market cap was at $2.53 trillion mark, increasing 6.6% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volume decreased by 14% to $153 billion. In other news, Coinbase Derivatives recently announced plans to launch cash-settled futures contract products for DogeCoin, Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash as soon as April 1. Well, this marks a significant move in the crypto space. While on the back of this news, DogeCoin, Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash each surged by more than 10% in the past 24 hours. Meanwhile, Solana has replaced Ethereum as the #1 smart contract blockchain by trading volume. Trading volume in Solana-based decentralized exchanges has increased 67% to $21.3 billion in 7 days. Data tracked by DeFi Llama show volume in Ethereum-based decentralized exchanges rose 3% to $19.4 billion over the same period. US stock futures rose after the 3 major averages closed at new records and the Federal Reserve concluded its latest policy meeting. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average increased by 0.32%. S&P 500 futures added 0.42%, while Nasdaq 100 futures increased by 0.67%. Bitcoin was trading at $67,100, up by 7%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 10%, trading at $3,530. Next on the list, Binance's BNB token was up by 4.3% to trade at $551. Solana Sol was up 9.5% and was trading at $197.6. Cardano's ADA token was up by 6.7% to trade at $0.62. Next on the list, we have Avalanche's AVAX token. It was trading at $55, higher by 6%. And Polygon's Matic token was trading up by 2.7% to trade at $0.99. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 17% at $0.15. Shiba Inu was trading up by 7.7%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.60, up by 2.3%. And Polkadot was up by 3.3% to trade at $9.5. So that's all in the Coin Monitor. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. 3.0 stay connected with the world of blockchain. Stay up to date with infinite world of NFTs. Come explore and evolve with 3.0 TV in the Metaverse.
So many coins, so much volatility. 3.0 TV delivers the news that matters.
MicroStrategy shares fell 13% on Tuesday due to a $603.75 million convertible debt offering to buy Bitcoin. This follows an $800 million convertible offer announced a week earlier. The company also bought 9,245 Bitcoins for $623 million between March 11 and March 18, causing shares to drop as low as $12,750, their lowest level since March 7. The latest sale was of 0.875% convertible senior notes due through 2031, convertible into cash or shares of MicroStrategy's Class A common stock. This represents a premium of about 40% over the volume weighted or average price of its shares on March 14, 2024. Bitcoin ETFs experienced the highest outflows since their Jan launch, causing the price of Bitcoin to drop below the $61,000 mark. The total outflows from all 9 Bitcoin ETFs reached $326 million, surpassing the previous day's record. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF or IBIT saw net inflows of $75 million, followed by Fidelity's Bitcoin ETF with $39.6 million. Other Bitcoin ETFs experienced minimal to no inflows, indicating that institutional investors are adopting a cautious stance in anticipation of the Federal Open Market Committee decision. Grayscale Bitcoin ETF faced significant withdrawals, with net outflow hitting $444 million on Tuesday alone. The plunge pressured the general crypto market downward, falling 2.4% to hit $2.48 trillion in market cap. China Green Agriculture has acquired Lone Star Dream, a Bitcoin mining company, for $49 million. The acquisition is a part of CGA's dual business development strategy, aiming to diversify its operations. Lone Star Dream, established in September 2021, has secured a 600 megawatt power contract and plans to bring an additional 500 megawatt online by 2026. The company's in-house developed immersion cooling system for Bitcoin mining, pending a US patent, demonstrates its commitment to innovation and efficiency. While Lone Star Dream plans to establish its first energy industrial park by the end of 2024, focusing on integrating energy infrastructure with the cryptocurrency mining and expanding into renewable energy sources. The funding was arranged in 3 installments, with shares transferred to CGA.